How to disappear and transform your life in 2025. Hi everyone, my name is Daniel, and welcome to Invest Edge Academy. Today we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating but also potentially life-changing. How to disappear and completely transform your life in 2025. Whether you're looking to escape a toxic environment, start fresh, or reinvent yourself, this video is for you. And don't worry, this isn't about anything illegal or shady. It's about taking control of your life, reclaiming your identity, and building a future you're excited about. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand why you want to disappear. The first step is to get crystal clear on why you want to disappear. Is it because you're unhappy with your current life? Are you stuck in a toxic relationship, a dead-end job, or a place that no longer serves you? Or maybe you just feel like you've outgrown your current identity and want to start fresh. Take some time to reflect on this. Write it down if you need to. Understanding your why is crucial because it will guide every decision you make moving forward. And remember, disappearing doesn't mean running away from your problems. It means creating a better version of your life. It's about moving towards something better, not just leaving something behind. Step 2. Declutter your digital footprint. In 2025, your digital presence is a huge part of your identity. If you want to disappear and start fresh, you need to take control of your online footprint. Here's how. Audit your social media accounts. Go through all your social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, or whatever you use. Delete old posts, photos, and anything that doesn't align with the new version of yourself. If you're serious about disappearing, consider deactivating or deleting your accounts entirely. Change your privacy settings. For accounts you want to keep, lock them down. Make everything private. Remove unnecessary connections, and stop sharing personal details online. The less people know about your life, the easier it is to start fresh. Google yourself. Search your name online and see what comes up. If there's anything you don't want out there, take steps to remove it. You can contact websites to request removal or use tools like Google's removal request service. Create a new digital identity. If you're starting fresh, consider creating new accounts that align with the life you want to build. Use a new email address, a new username, and keep your personal details minimal. This is your chance to curate the online version of yourself that matches your new life. Step 3. Simplify your physical life. Next, let's talk about your physical life. If you want to disappear and transform, you need to simplify. Here's how. Declutter your space. Go through your belongings and get rid of anything that doesn't serve you. Clothes you don't wear, items you don't use, and things that tie you to your old life. Let them go. The less you own, the easier it is to move forward. Downsize. If you're serious about disappearing, consider downsizing your living situation. A smaller apartment, a shared space, or even a van or RV can give you the freedom to move and start fresh. Living with less can also help you focus on what truly matters. Sell or donate unnecessary items. Selling your stuff not only helps you declutter, but also gives you extra cash to fund your new life. Donate what you can't sell. It's a great way to give back while lightening your load. Step 4. Financial freedom is key. Money is one of the biggest factors when it comes to transforming your life. Here's how to get your finances in order. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Figure out where your money is going and cut out anything unnecessary. The goal is to save as much as possible. Pay off debt. If you have debt, make a plan to pay it off. The less financial baggage you have, the easier it is to start fresh. Focus on high-interest debt first and work your way down. Build an emergency fund aimed to save at least 3-6 months' worth of living expenses. This will give you a safety net as you transition into your new life. It's one of the most important steps to gaining freedom. Consider remote work or freelancing. In 2025, remote work is more accessible than ever. Look for jobs or freelance opportunities that allow you to work from anywhere. This gives you the freedom to move and live on your own terms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn can help you find opportunities. Step 5. Choose your new life. Now comes the exciting part, designing your new life. Here's how to do it. Pick a new location. Do you want to move to a new city, a new country, or even live off the grid? Research places that align with the lifestyle you want. Consider factors like cost of living, climate, and community. For example, some people choose affordable countries like Portugal or Thailand, while others prefer remote areas closer to nature. Reinvent your identity. This doesn't mean faking who you are. It means becoming the best version of yourself. What kind of person do you want to be? What values do you want to live by? Start embodying that person today. This is your chance to redefine yourself. Set new goals. What do you want to achieve in your new life? Whether it's starting a business, learning a new skill, or simply finding peace, write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Break them into small, actionable steps. Build a new routine. Your daily habits shape your life. Create a routine that supports your goals and helps you stay focused on your transformation. Whether it's waking up earlier, exercising, or dedicating time to learning, your routine is the foundation of your new life. Step 6. Disconnect and reconnect. Disappearing isn't just about leaving your old life behind. It's about reconnecting with yourself and what truly matters. Here's how. Take a break from technology. Spend some time offline. Go for walks, meditate, journal, or just sit with your thoughts. This will help you gain clarity and reconnect with yourself. Reconnect with nature. Nature has a way of grounding us and reminding us of what's important. Spend time outdoors, whether it's hiking, camping, or just sitting in a park. It's a great way to reset your mind. Find your tribe. Surround yourself with people who support your new life. This could mean making new friends, joining a community, or even just finding online groups that align with your values. The right people can make all the difference. Step 7. Embrace the journey. Finally, remember that disappearing and transforming your life is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but that's part of the process. Be patient with yourself, stay focused on your goals, and celebrate your progress. And most importantly, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's from friends, family, or a professional, support can make all the difference. You don't have to do this alone. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to disappearing and transforming your life in 2025. Remember, this isn't about running away from your problems. It's about taking control of your life and creating a future that excites you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to InvestEdge Academy for more content like this. And if you're on your own journey of transformation, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep moving forward.